Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Wyze video doorbell settings and notifications easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Wyze video doorbell settings, first, ensure your phone is connected to the internet. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone. Locate the Wyze doorbell icon on your home screen. Tap on the doorbell icon to access its settings. Once in the doorbell menu, select the gear icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down to find the device settings section. Tap on notifications to manage your alert preferences. Here, you can enable or disable motion alerts. If you want to restore default notification settings, look for the reset option. Confirm any prompts that appear to proceed with the reset. Next, return to the main settings page. Select Advanced Settings to access more options. Look for the Factory Reset option at the bottom of the menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the factory reset. After the reset, your doorbell will restart automatically. Once it is back online, you can set up the doorbell again as you wish. To re-enable notifications, return to the Notifications menu. Make sure all desired alert types are selected. Now, perform a test to ensure you're receiving notifications. Verification may be done by pressing the doorbell button. You should receive an alert on your phone if everything is set correctly. Your Wyze video doorbell settings and notifications are now restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.